Hello everyone and welcome to Web Aptitude. This is me Santos. Today I am going to teach you anonymous function in JavaScript. In this tutorial you are going at the end of the lecture you will be able to know what is anonymous functions, how to use it, and how it can be passed as a parameter in the functions, and how to call the anonymous functions. As well as in later tutorial, I will teach you what is callback and closure in JavaScript. Without any delay, uh, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you uh, how anonymous function is defined in JavaScript with very basic example. So let's get started. I use this Dreamweaver editor as my text editor. You can use any things like Notepad++ or any online editor that you prefer. For me, I use Dreamweaver. So uh, I am going to create a new file and I'm going to make it HTML so that I can output the result in a browser. And let's go to the code then. Alright, so before the body tag, just going to write some scripts tag. Okay guys, so I can output something here. Alright, so what is anonymous function? First of all, by its name, some function that doesn't have any identifications or doesn't have any name is called anonymous functions. Okay guys, function that doesn't have a name. Okay, so let's say function but it doesn't have name. Okay, just function, pure function. Okay, right. My Dreamweaver had some problem here. Looks like some problem, but I'm just gonna close it and open it back shortly. Alright, it's just back to normal now. Alright, file HTML code script script. Okay, so let's get started. Function. Okay, function without a name. Alright, and let's say what this function does is it takes parameter a and b, okay, and multiply whatever a and b. Okay, return a times b. Okay guys, that's all what it does. Later I would yeah, let's just return it, or shall we console.log? Okay, console.log, just console log a times b. Okay, since this function doesn't have any name, we cannot execute it. So to execute this function, what you need to do is put this bracket, okay, and call it like this, empty bracket right after it. Okay guys, so you need to call it this way, and you need to pass two parameter a and b. That means let's say 2 comma 3. Okay guys, alright, and I'm going to save this file. Let's call it anonymous. HTML, save it, and I'm going to use my Chrome to preview this file. Okay, you can run with Internet Explorer or anything. Okay, just let's inspect the source to see the console. If you go to the console, here is the output guys, 6. You can see it clearly. So this is how anonymous functions works in JavaScript, and there are various ways to use anonymous function. You can pass it a argument as well and use it as a callback, which I'm going to talk in next tutorial. And as well as uh, or you can just use it like this. And don't forget that you can use anonymous functions once only, okay? And you need to call it immediately after. There is other way to make anonymous functions. I'm going to show you same functions with a different style now, which is assigning to the variable like this. Var multi multiply, let's call it multi, equal to function. This doesn't have anything as well. But what we can do, the advantage of this is we can return some value, guys. Here, I do like this, and I can now return it a times b. Okay, guys. As you can see now, I will be able to call this multi and get this value. Okay, get the return value. I go there, console dot log. Okay, I call it multi, and it has two parameters, so I call it 4 times 5. Okay, 4 times 5. Console.log 4 times 5. Okay, now if I save this code, execute in the browser, as you can see, it's give me 20 now. Okay, so you can use anonymous function like this way, which actually looks like the actual functions, uh, but this is also known as anonymous function in JavaScript. This is also known as anonymous functions. I hope you guys are clear uh, what is anonymous functions, how to use it. In later tutorial, I'm going to show you callback and passing an anonymous function as an argument, as well as a function with name. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and see you in next part. Thank you very much for your time.